Is it time to buy or sell Berkshire stock? In this video, we will explore the intricacies of Berkshire. Our initial report was published on our website on the 4th of August, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Berkshire as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.04. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock has broken the narrow and falling short-term trend down. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. Nevertheless, a further drop seems realistic, and any reactions back to the breaking point of $459.78 are viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $439.93 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -8.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -8.59% to -4.64%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 12.21%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 12.21% to 35.67% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $515.16 and $622.85. Our latest daily update for Berkshire includes the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for Berkshire as Stock Downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate." The Berkshire stock price fell by 2.9% on the last day, which was Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. Dropping from $472.84 to $459.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.19%, with a day low of $455.19 and a day high of $469.73. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.23% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk could slightly rise over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $542.07, while the lowest was $406.11. Currently, the price stands 15.3%, or $82.96, below the 52-week high of $542.07, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Berkshire Hathaway shares, trading under BRK-B, experienced a notable decline of more than 3% today following the release of its second quarter earnings report. The company disclosed a significant drop in quarterly profits, attributing this to a $3.8 billion write-down on its 27.4% stake in Kraft Heinz, along with lower earnings in insurance underwriting and overall revenues. The mix of results has raised concerns about the firm's future performance amid increasing uncertainty surrounding tariffs and international trade policies. With revenue actually slumping for various subsidiaries, such as a staggering 39% drop at Jazzwares, it's evident that tariff pressures are beginning to bite significantly. In the short term, this mixed earnings report could dampen investor sentiment, potentially exerting downward pressure on the stock price as analysts reassess their forecasts. Additionally, the lack of share buybacks may disappoint many investors looking for a more aggressive approach to return capital. As such, near-term volatility can be expected. Looking to the long term, prolonged tariff uncertainties, and signs of weakening revenues could hinder Berkshire's growth trajectory, making its stock less appealing in an already turbulent market environment. Without a significant turnaround in operational performance and external economic conditions, the company could find itself in a tough position moving forward, which may lead to further fluctuations in stock valuation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Berkshire stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Berkshire. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Berkshire stock holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $474.59 and $480.05. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 25, 2025, and so far the stock has declined by 5.16%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 61 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 38 days ago. For more signals, do visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Berkshire. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. Generally, this stock exhibits well-controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $14.54 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 3.19%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Berkshire, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the first day of November 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.04. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Berkshire. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Berkshire is at 480.48. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point of consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Berkshire from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade was on January 12, 2024, when Jane Ajit conducted an insider sale of 28 shares of Class B common stock. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Berkshire stock a good buy? Berkshire exhibits several negative indicators and is currently in a narrow and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a hold to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems reveal that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we anticipate Berkshire will open higher by $2.23, starting at a price of $461.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.